Hello dear friends, I am Engineer Shaparuk and you are watching your own channel Civil Engineering World The Civilites. This is the sixth part of the series Important Civil Engineering MCQs. These MCQs are collected from different sources and are equally important for all type of civil engineering tests like Civil Engineering Test of NTS, ETA, PPSC, KPSC, FPSC, RRB, and all other types of civil engineering tests. This video will give you idea about the format of upcoming civil engineering test. So watch the video full, and if you have any question regarding to this topic or any other related civil engineering topic, please write it in the comment box. I will try to answer all of your questions. I have also solved two previous tests of KPPSC for the post of civil engineer. You can find the link of that in the description box. Let's start today's topic. In this video lecture, I have tried to cover at least one MCQs from each subject of civil engineering. This video lecture will give you an idea about the upcoming civil engineering tests. The first MCQs of today's video is the ratio of shearing stress to shearing strain with an elastic limit is known as. The choices are modulus of elasticity, B. Shear modulus of elasticity, C. Bulk modulus of elasticity, and D. None of these. We know that modulus of elasticity means the ratio of linear stress to the linear strain, while bulk modulus means the ratio of volumetric change divided by initial or original volume. But we know that shear modulus of elasticity means the ratio of shearing stress to the shearing strength. So the right choice for this question is shear modulus of elasticity B. MCQs number 2 is the projecting part of the thread beyond the face of riser is called. The choices are A. Noising, B.Flier C.Pitch D. Baluster. So it is an easy one, and the right choice for this question is A. Noising. MCQs number 3 is from soil mechanics. That is, the liquid limit exists in A. Sandy soil, B. Gravel soil, C. Clay soil, and D. Silty soil. Among the following, the soil which have liquid limit is C. Clay soil. MCQs number 4 is from building construction. That is, for DPC at plinth level, the most commonly used material is A. Bitumen sheeting, B. Cement concrete, C. Plastic sheeting, D. Mastic asphalt. We know that all these four are used in a DPC at plinth level, but the most commonly used material for DPC at plinth level is choice B. Cement concrete. MCQs number 5 is the degree of grinding of cement is called soundness, B. Fineness, C. Impact value, D. Bulking. We know that soundness is related to the resistance of cement to volume changes. Impact value is related to the abrasion resistance of the cement, while bulking means the resistance to increase in volume. So the right choice for this question is fineness of this cement, B, because we know that the degree of grinding of a cement is called its fineness. MCQs number 6 is 1 cubic meter is equal to, the choices are A. 500 liter, B. 100 liter, C. 1000 liter, and D. 2000 liter. It is a simple one, and its answer is C. 1000 liters. MCQs number 7 is from survey. A stop reading taken on point whose elevation is to be determined is on change point is called. The choices are A. Backside, B. Foresight, C. Interside, and D. None of these. We know that the reading taken at a point whose elevation is to be determined or at change point is known as B. Foresight. MCQs number 8 is the commonly used raw material in manufacturing of cement is, the choices are A. Limestone, B. Quartzite, C. Basalt, and D. Slates. The most commonly used raw material in cement manufacturing is A. Limestone. MCQs number 9 is from transportation engineering. That is, depth of reinforcement below the surface of concrete or rigid pavement is generally kept as, the choices are A. 2.5 centimeter, B 5 centimeter, C 7.5 centimeter, and D 10 centimeter. The right choice for this question is B 5 centimeter. The last MCQ of the series is superfluous water is also called. The choices are A. Gravitational water, B. Capillary water, C. Hygroscopic water, and D. None of these. The right choice for this question is A. Gravitational water. That was all for today. I'm hoping that you have learned something valuable from today's video. For more updated videos about civil engineering MCQs and civil engineering, please keep in touch and subscribe the channel by clicking the subscribe button along with the bell icon to receive the notification of upcoming videos, and do not forget to like the video. Thank you very much.